Hey y'all, Bear. Look here. Another part of my big bi-yearly, twice a year food order for being out on the trail came in, and I thought I'd share it with you. So a little known factoid about me is I'm a lot like a bear in that most of the time I eat shrubbery and berries and stuff like that. I actually don't eat a lot of meat. You see me cooking it for my videos and eating it then, but most of the time through the week I eat vegetarian or even vegan. Really the only dairy product that we have in my house is cheese, and we're hooked on the cheese. But anyways, that's another story. And if you want to hear about why I don't eat very much meat, you can let me know in the comments below, and maybe I'll make a video about it, but it's not really why I'm here. So anyways, but if you want to be vegan on the trail, you want to be vegetarian on the trail, there are options. One of my favorite trail snacks before I went that way was my jerky. And I know you hardcore vegan and vegetarian people are going to say this is junk food, but this is my compromise when I'm on the trail. So my order came in today from Fake Meats. That's right, Fake Meats. And you know, this is an exception to my normal rule of eating vegetarian. I don't do a lot of fake meat stuff as per se. I just try to make vegetables taste really good, and that's what I do. But I do like jerky, and jerky's a handy trail snack. So this is what I've got. I have got one big old order here from Fake Meats. Okay, but it'll last me a while. And hey, look here, right off the bat, Fake Meats wants to know, is my order perfect? Is there anything missing or damaged or seriously flawed? They want to know about it, and if there's a problem with it, they want to replace their product or get me some store credit. So, you know, there we go. That's Fake Meats standing behind what they're doing. And I'll put a link to their site in the description below, and you can check it out if you want. And again, I don't get anything for it, but I like to share the information. Let's see what all I got. Now, the one thing I ordered last year that I didn't care for was the mushroom jerky. I wasn't a fan of that. So I've got these little bites here. I've got teriyaki beef, I've got chicken, I've got the original mild, and I got the barbecue beef, and that's all quotes, okay, right? It's all fake meat. Then from Louisville Jerky, Vegan Jerky Company, I got their stuff last year and it was really good. So this is the kind of expiration dates I'm getting from them. This will take me to July. On these guys here, let's see, that's a March, that's July, May, July. So I can tell right now my use by dates are really varied here. So when I get home, I'm gonna stack this box, and I'm gonna stack it in order that they go out of date so I can take it to me on the appropriate trips. I've got the Jamaican Jerk from Louisville. I've got the smoked chipotle. I've got the smoked black pepper, the maple bacon. I'm really curious to try this one and see how that maple bacon is. You know, I like some bacon with my breakfast sometimes when I'm out on the trail. And we got Smoky Carolina barbecue. Now that's another one, man. This is one of my weaknesses when I still jump into some meat, is some barbecue. I love some good Carolina barbecue, right? I'm from South Carolina. And so I'm curious, I hope that's a good one. Another one that I really like is this Sam's Harvest Soy Jerky from Butler Foods. And this one expires in August. So we go anywhere from March to August right now in this box. Look here, I've got some sausage sticks. Those look like they actually go out. And then something new I'm trying. I told you I didn't like the mushroom jerky. Well, this go round, I'm gonna try some coconut jerky. And this coconut jerky, I'm not gonna lie, it was expensive, okay, y'all? I mean, this stuff's not cheap. But, you know, if I want to keep myself feeling good on the trail, I can't weigh myself down with a lot of meat products while I'm out there. I got August, September, and August on these. So we've got chili lime, ginger teriyaki, and they're original. And the coconut jerky is vegan and paleo. So there you go, if you're into the paleo thing. Oh, I got some more of these sticks here. Let's see here, on these sticks, let's see what flavors I got on the sticks. Well, it doesn't really say. I know I got multiple flavors here though. I got 2 different flavors because they're in 2 different color package. Let's see if my order tells me what those were. Those are the Vienna Picnicker. Vienna Picnicker. Here we go. So I got the Vienna vegetable snack combo, which has their mild jumbo veggie snack and their Picnicker veggie snack. I don't know what they're going to be. We'll taste them and find out. Let's see here. And another thing I got last year that I liked, so I got some more of this year, are these primal strips. So I got Texas barbecue, I got teriyaki, hot and spicy, Thai peanut, hickory smoked, and mesquite lime. So there you go. This is just one of those ways that I try to stay, you know, as close to a vegetarian diet when I'm out on the trail as I can. And just thought I'd share it with you. You know, I really like what they've done so far. I mean, their customer service looks great. I don't have anything damaged here. I've got some good shelf lives. Most everything here, it looks like, goes out into late spring or summer. So I'll be able to enjoy this for the first half of the year, and then come summertime, I'll place an order for my fall and the beginning of my winter hiking. But just wanted to show you, and we'll see you on the trail.